It's a roof survey in London, central London. An old EPDM flat roof. It's been patched everywhere. It's not a warm roof, it's a cold roof. And they haven't vented it. It's because it's definitely not insulated properly for the age of the roof. A large box gutter going around the roof. Around there. That looks newish. Look at that. Look at that, it's all rotten. Box gutter going along there. There's fibre slates there. See a lead split. Piece of wood there. Slate's missing there. Looks like someone's done a crappy repair with nappies. See, that's been repaired around there as well. All the lead split. Lead split there. It's a really old clay tile pitch roof. It's got like a crack going up here. That means the rafters are deflecting. They're really old. Oh look, take that off with my hand. Needs to be replaced. Clay tiles last for years. It's just behind the clay tiles, the battens rot, and the nails, and obviously the mortar on the ridge. That must be 70, 80 years old. Tell by the lead. Have to go. Catch you later. Bye.